Hey guys, today's little project is replacing the cabin filter on our 2012 Lexus Rx350. So the filter we're going to use today is actually a Wix filter. I purchased this off Amazon. It was roughly $15 Canadian. And there's the part number. So the first step is going to the glove box on the passenger side, and we're going to open her up. And what you're going to have to do is take out this little tray. Alright, in order to remove the tray, you need to unclip this side. And then there's two little clips on the bottom there. You just pull straight up. Now they're a little bit hard to get out, so you got to be a little bit forceful on it. And as you can see, the clip there, and then the other two clips. So the next step is taking off this cover, and the easiest way is getting a flathead screwdriver, putting it in here and pulling it out. And then that gives you access to where your cabin filter's at, right there. Alright, and in order to get your cabin filter out, there's a little clip on each side. Just unclip it, and this cover pulls off. And then there's your cabin filter. You take the cabin filter out, you'll see an arrow with an up. This is the airflow direction, so you got to make sure when the new filter's put in that your arrow's pointing up, and this would be different for different vehicles. Alright, so in order to get it out, you just gently pull on it. And I'm not sure when the last time this was changed. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, there's some bugs and whatnot in it. So this filter is certainly ready for a change and a replacement. And as you can see, when these are new, they're white, and you can see how dirty it is now. And there's the new filter, and on the side you can see the up arrow. So this is certainly due for a replacement. And it, depending on your driving conditions, where you live, will dictate on how often these should be cleaned. However, some people recommend at least once a year. And just before we install the new filter, let's take a look in there. You can see the fan. And the good thing is it looks nice and clean in there. Let's get the new filter installed. Again, you want the arrow pointing up. That's the arrow right there. So that just pushes in. And again, before you put this in, make sure you have the right size air filter compared to the one you took out. Next step is putting in your little plastic cover. This holds the air filter in. Snaps in. Then you're going to want to put your black trim piece on. So keep an eye on this little side here. This is going to go in, and then it will pull down, and that will lock it in. There you go, and just give it a little push down at the top, and it pushes this down and holds it secured. And then you're going to want to put in your little shelf. Again, it snaps in right here at the bottom and on the side. There you go. And there you go, it's as easy as that to replace your air filter. Again, this is what came out of it. So it's nice that we'll have some nice fresh filtered air coming into the truck. And again, there's the Wix filter. Again, this was ordered off Amazon, roughly $15 Canadian. And there you go. It literally takes a minute max to do. No doubt the dealership will charge you a half hour's labor. Not to mention, I'm sure this filter here is probably $90 at the dealership. So you're probably looking at well over $100 on something that can take maybe a couple minutes to do for your first time. And this is something anybody can do. It's a few simple steps to do this, and again, I would probably do this every year, again, depending on your driving conditions. Anyways, guys, just a short video on how to change your cabin filter on a 2012 Lexus Rx350. And no doubt this is similar to a lot of other Lexus models, such as the RX350, 450, and whatnot. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day and happy holidays.